In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your YouTube channel link to your Instagram story. So what you need to do is first go ahead and open the YouTube app. And once you're on the YouTube app, you want to be logged into your channel. Once you've logged in, go to your channel icon in the bottom right hand corner. That will take you to your channel. If it doesn't take you there straight away, it might take you to this page. And from here, you want to click on View Channel at the top. And then you'll be on your channel. Then click on the three dots in the top right, then click on Share, then click Copy Link. Once you've then got the link copied, you can then head to Instagram. Here in Instagram, you want to then go to the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll be on your profile. From here, you can click on the story icon in the top left. You can then click Add to your story. Here you can take a picture with the camera or upload an image. Let's just upload this screenshot I accidentally took of my alarm. Now, to add the link, what you need to do is click on the sticker icon. So it's going to be one to the right of the text. Then once you've done that, you need to look for link. So it should be in the middle on the third row from the bottom, next to the swiping emoji icon. Click link. Then go ahead and click on the link URL box, hold down and then paste your URL. You can then click custom sticker text. So I may want this to say YouTube channel. Then we can click done and then it's going to add a sticker with the text. Now we can go ahead and post this to your story by clicking the bottom left. And now this link will go to our YouTube channel. So that's all you have to do. I hope that quick video helped you out.